How to get started with Remindax.
In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the process of creating expiration reminders using Remindax. Begin by accessing the Explorer section. Within Explorer, you can efficiently manage and organize your reminders by creating folders, similar to those on Windows and Mac systems. To initiate a new reminder within the current folder, click on New and select the appropriate reminder type. Add a descriptive title for your reminder. Specify the expiration type and date. If necessary, include additional fields relevant to your reminder. Set your preferred time zone and reminder frequency to suit your needs. Next, you can either create new contacts or choose from existing ones to include in this reminder. These contacts will receive reminder notifications via email, SMS, or WhatsApp based on your selection. If necessary, attach scanned document copies for reference. Save all changes made to the reminder. Now, you have successfully created a new reminder in the system. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you have any further inquiries, feel free to reach out to our support team.